Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, I want to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing for free using Digistore24. Now, Digistore24 is a marketplace somewhat like ClickBank. As you see here on the screen, you simply just go to Digistore24.com. More sales, less work. All you need to do is click the Register Now button to get started. As you can see, it's free to register. All you need to do is sign up right here, create a username. You'll get your affiliate link after you put in your email address and a password, set your time zone, enter your name, your company. If you have one, go ahead, enter your address. You don't need a company to get started. You can simply sign up as an individual, meaning you're just using your own name to start as an affiliate marketer. Go ahead, read the B2B contract, the privacy policy, click register for free, and simply get started. Now, it's that simple to get started by signing up on Digistore24, but what does affiliate marketing look like and how can we do this for free? As you see here on the screen in this diagram, and you as an affiliate right here in this arrow, you as an affiliate first and foremost are going to sign up for an affiliate program, and you're going to create your affiliate links, and then you're going to paste your affiliate links in your content on Facebook, on blog posts, banner ads, Google ads, on YouTube videos that you create. And then when a visitor clicks your link, you will make money as an affiliate marketer. So again, we went through the sign up process right here. Now you have your account. So the next thing you need to do is you need to understand what's going on over at the marketplace. Once you get over to the marketplace, this is where you're going to decide what you're going to be an affiliate marketer for, and this is where you pick your niche. A niche being simply a group of people with a similar problem that you're providing the solution for with your content and your affiliate offers. Now, if all this sounds complicated, it's really not, but there are a lot of moving parts and there's a few steps. I've added a video up here. You can go ahead and click that card and there's a video there that will take you through the complete 12-step process, and you can actually get that training for free at the link in that video, so be sure to watch that. But now let's focus back on Digistore24, where we're talking about a niche, and a niche being something that people are interested in because they have a problem. And here, Digistore24 has grouped that into categories: animal and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, and you can see the list goes on, down to software and even sports. So go ahead and pick one of those that interest you, or you could just start with the results right here, and they're sorted by sales rank. And you can see the first one here is actually a physical product, and it's the #1 health offer in Digistore24 history. You can see here the commission that you're going to earn as well as the earnings on average, so $139.62. And if you want to get started to promote, you simply just click Promote Now. And after you've signed up, that will give you your affiliate link. So let's step back and take a minute and look at what this is going to look like in reality once we've been to the marketplace and created our Digistore24 account. So this diagram is you and your target audience. Your target audience is looking for information. They're looking for information on YouTube by asking YouTube, how do I do something, or how to do something, because YouTube is a search engine. Your target audience is also hanging out on Facebook. For example, Facebook groups are a great place to find your target audience, to learn more about them, as well as to promote your content and your affiliate offers. Now, I'm not talking about spamming your link. I'm talking about providing real helpful content to your audience. So you can have your audience find you, or you can find them on Facebook. Then you can build what is called an opt-in page. They will come over to your opt-in page for your useful information, and then you will add them to your email list. And then once they're on your email list, you will send them more content and more offers in the form of YouTube, Facebook posts, blog posts, helpful content that you create, and then that will take them over to your affiliate offer, where you again will earn a commission. So back to Digistore24 and the marketplace. Again, you are looking for products inside of your chosen category or niche. For example, if it is family and kids, you would click on family and kids, and you can see here there is a sleep training secrets that earns you a 95% commission. This is about helping babies sleep. There's also a 3-day potty training course here, earning a 75% commission. Now make sure you do your research actually get this product, get access to this product, or buy this product, and make sure that it actually helps people that you're trying to help. Don't just try to promote a product for the money you'll make. It will not work at the end of the day. You might make a few sales, but in the long run, and without a doubt, you need to understand that this is a real business that you're creating. As an affiliate marketer, you are setting up a business to earn money, and you do that by creating trust in a group of people, by providing them high quality content and actually helping them solve their real problems. Now let's dig a little deeper inside of Digistore24 under the Affiliates tab. And when you click on that, you're going to find out more information about what it means to be an affiliate. And the thing I want to focus on here, you should read everything here to make sure that you understand everything that Digistore24 has to offer you to make sure you're successful as an affiliate marketer, to include the integrations that you'll learn more about when you start setting up your email list. You'll see some email autoresponder providers there. But the thing that I want to focus in on is this section right here of the FAQ, or the frequently asked questions. Make sure you go to this page and understand everything that they're telling you here about how you are a publisher, a blogger, or an influencer. If you have to pay for the service, how do I make money if they don't charge you? For each sale, Digistore24 charges the vendor a percentage of the gross price, and you get paid an affiliate commission, so there's no charge to you to be an affiliate. How do I get started? Make sure that you understand here that the 4 steps are easy, but that is just to get registered on Digistore24. Again, I mentioned that card up there. Click that. Also a link in the description to the complete 12-step process where I walk you through all the 12 steps that you need to understand and know to be a successful affiliate marketer. So go ahead, click that link, click that card, watch that video now so you know exactly what you need to do. Once you've registered here and read the FAQ on Digistore24, you will be ready to start earning commissions as an affiliate marketer, and you can get started for free right here with Digistore24, as well as that training link in the description. Click that, check out the video, check out that training, and if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.